We're gonna take this back, crush this up. We got our gold from our other video. Got a nice little picker in here. Got our new snuffer bottle loaded up. Ready to do some sluicing. Right, Petey? So we got bedrock right here, right there, and a bunch right there. Kevin got his nice 3.5 gram nugget right around in here. I got a couple nuggets laid out over there. This is easy pickings right on bedrock right here. We're gonna do some erosion control too, doing a side business. We'll put all the rocks over there, stop that bank from coming out. So I just finished my first bucket. Hopefully you can focus in, but I got a bunch of little finds all through there. There's a nice little flake there. You can see it in the little ripple. Some pieces there. And there's a nice little piece right there. So, pretty impressed with that. A lot of black sand. Whew. And it's muscled this beautiful piece of quartz out of the hole. Not easy with 1 foot. Kevin just decided to go swimming in there, so I don't think we're going to be here too much longer. We'll run these buckets, probably do a cleanup.
This one is a bigger one.
I'd rather use a super sluice. You got a super sluice? Yeah. Yeah, I use that. Nice little piece right there.
Yeah?
It's small, it's just a nice piece. So we started right over in here because you can see the bedrock right here. It was a little bit exposed. And I went straight down along the wall there. It's about a foot drop there. There's a ledge that goes right there, and it's a trough. Like that. There's a ridge right here, and then there's another trough. And then there's a wall here, and these big boulders are sitting up here. We rolled out a few of them right there, and all those rocks over there, and all the tailings all came from in here. There's a lot more gold, and it's sitting right on bedrock right here, so it's a good spot to come back to. Alright, so me and Petey just sitting here, relaxing, enjoying the last bit of the sun for the day. I figured I'd just share a few things. Reason why my shots weren't as great today, I busted my tripod. It's a really good one too. If you guys buy this, I'm just gonna forewarn you that you would assume that the tops here, where this is in here, would screw in. And that's what I always thought, and it was always loose, so like I would spin it when it was loose. But today I went to tighten it up, and it broke off. And if you look, see if I can get it to focus in. Come on. Come on. See if we can zoom in. It's not threaded. So what happens is, as I was spinning it, I strip this out. Easy fix for now. I'm just gonna glue it in there, but if you got a phone that you're really worried about breaking, like a $500 one like I'm using, you just stick this on a tree by the river and expect it to stay, and then it just falls off into the water. I mean, not great. And we were working bedrock today, but you didn't see me using my marrying tool at all. This is why I've abused it to the point where I didn't sharpen it when I should have, and it's pretty much on its way out. I can salvage it for a while, but I gotta cut it and grind it. I tried getting some more, and I couldn't get any. Two Toes didn't have any, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna do a video on it too. Not the same exact thing, obviously. I'm not gonna try to compete with Two Toes, you know. Balance rock out of some bricks from an old house that was in the area, obviously. Plus, you got anything to say there, Petey? You got anything to say? Alright, well, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Pretty much just sat there and sluiced off the side of the bank, which is pretty good. This time of year, the water's really cold. We were all going good until Kevin went swimming. I don't know what he was thinking, but he's pretty soaked. Petey's hungry. I'm hungry. We got some gold. We got a lot of black sand to go through. We're gonna go through that with the blue bowl eventually. But just sitting here, laying down, relaxing that foot next to that little rock stack, the 5 pit, waiting for Kevin. And then we're gonna hike out. Kevin hiked up. It's up to where I got those nuggets. It's a good hike up there. So I got a little bit of time to rest. But he's coming back with a bucket of the quartz vein that I was looking for. Or at least maybe one of the quartz veins. Looked pretty good. So when we get back to camp, maybe I'll pop that out, show you guys that, see what we can find. maybe snap some open, see if anything's shiny in there. But if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, it helps. Drop a comment, and till the next one, you dig?